What's up, guys? Back again today for our daily pack opening. I actually picked up the brand new Blazing Vortex, so I'm super excited to open these. So let's see back here. Entire set includes 50 common cards, 26 super rares, 14 ultra rares, and 10 secret rares. So we finally kind of got a bigger set than what we've been used to in our last couple box openings. So there's what the front looks like. I'm super excited about opening these. Get this on. Sweet, that's what it looks like there. So we'll go ahead and get our first pack and get started. All right, first up, we've got Armor Dragon Ritual. We got Ancient Warrior Saga. Chivalrous Path. Chivalrous Path. We got Knight of Armor Dragon. Heavy Metal of Foes. Amalgam something. Nice. Here's our super. We got EMR. We got Springen's Captain Sargus. Here's our Armed Dragon Blitz. We got War Rock Orpus. And the final one is Tilted Try. So there you have it, guys. There is our daily pack will be for today. First Blazing Vortex opening. So hopefully we get a couple good ones in this box. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.